In today's video, I'll show you how to use the AND function in Google Sheets, a powerful tool that helps you check multiple conditions at the same time. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple Google Sheets tips. To get started, open Google Sheets in your browser and log in with your Google account. You can either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want to apply the AND function. Once you have your sheet ready, make sure your data is set up properly. This could be tasks, deadlines, completion status, or priority levels. Now let's apply the function. Click on the cell where you want the result to appear. Type an equal sign followed by and then place your conditions inside parentheses. For example, if you want to check if a task in cell A2 is marked as completed and its priority in B2 is high, you would write equals and ER2 equals completed, B2 equals high. When you hit enter, the formula will return true if both conditions are met or false if not. The best part is that the AND function isn't limited to just two conditions. You can add as many as you need, making it a flexible tool for smarter decision making in your spreadsheets. And that's it. You now know how to use the AND function to run multiple checks at once in Google Sheets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick guides to make your work easier.